everyone. Hello Royal family. Thank you for coming on and joining me today. I am so sorry I am not visible, but a sister is tired. I have a long week ahead of me for Valentine's Day, but I did promise that I would come on and show you guys a drink for Super Bowl. Oh yeah. Now this can be for men, but it's kind of more or less, for the ladies. But anyway, we are going to do a beer margarita. It is going to be so simple, and we're going to do it in martini glasses. So with that being said, I would like to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank all of my ride and die subscribers. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. All right, let's get started. Let me show you what I have. Here I have, it's very important for the ounces also. This is, 187 milliliter of margarita. And I got two. So this one is the original margarita. And this one is the pineapple margarita. And what you want to do, you want to put these in the freezer. And you want to get them real, what do I want to say? Slushy like, that we're going to put in our margarita glasses. And also you can use any type of beer, but I have this Michelob Ultra Infusion beer, and it's with real exotic fruits. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and open up the beer. And I'm also going to show you how to present them, which is going to be really, really nice. And I have these gloves on because I don't want any fingerprints on my margarita glass. So we're just going to pour this and try not to get the suds, which seems like I'm doing. And let's go ahead and fill it halfway up, almost to the rim. But remember, we're going to have to insert the margarita bottles. So you need to leave room for that. All right, you see that? Next, we're going to get one of our margarita bottles. And by the way, this is plastic. So if you can, try to make sure you get a plastic one, because you really can't freeze one in a glass. Okay, we're just going to open the top of it. Then we're actually, since it's slushy and kind of frozen, it will not automatically just leak out into the beer. So we're going to take it like this and stick it in. Let me show you. Is that really cool or what? So it will slowly release into the beer. And as you drink the beer down and the margarita begins to release in the beer, you can always add more beer or just continue drinking the margarita. Is that cool for us ladies? And I mean pretty dainty. All right, let me do the other one. Then I'll come back with a final presentation and I'll give this a taste. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone. This is the finished presentation of the beer margaritas. And I got these little footballs at Michael's, which I thought would really be a good theme for them since it's for Super Bowl. And I just found a tray that was kind of shaped like a football, and I put the little footballs down at the bottom. And you guys, these are so delicious. I think the ladies will really like them. Not too sweet. The beer kind of offsets that and it gives it a wonderful flavor. You guys have to try this. All right? I want you guys to stay safe, stay blessed, and go. Who am I voting for? Who am I rooting for? Kansas City Chiefs. This is from Mrs. O. Go Kansas City Chiefs. God bless you guys.